Hi, my name is Clay Anderson and I'm a meteorologist with the National Weather Service in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Winter storms are dangerous as they create a higher risk of car accidents, hypothermia, frostbite, and even heart attacks from overexertion. As with any hazard, having a plan before a winter storm happens is important. Winter storms can last days, so take stock of what you have before the storm arrives. Have an emergency kit ready with battery-powered radio, with extra batteries, non-perishable food, bottled water, candles, matches, extra clothing, and blankets. Power outages are possible during a winter storm, so gather enough supplies in case you need to stay home for several days without power. Know the difference between a watch and a warning. A winter storm watch is issued in advance of a storm, at least 24 hours. It means that conditions are favorable for a winter storm to occur, but some aspects such as location, timing, and snow amounts may still be uncertain. This is your notification to prepare and have a plan in place. Start gathering supplies if you haven't already done so. If the event becomes imminent, the watch will be upgraded to a winter storm warning. A warning indicates a threat to life and property, and travel will become dangerous, if not impossible. It is best not to travel during a winter storm. If you must travel, do not drive alone and keep an emergency kit in your car in case you get stranded. Be sure to include extra clothing, blankets, non-perishable food, bottled water, antifreeze, a snow scraper, a flashlight, tow chains, and a bag of salt. Keep the gas tank full. If you get stuck, pull over to the side of the road and stay in your car. Even a short walk during a winter storm can be very dangerous, and you can quickly get lost and are at risk of increased hypothermia. Even after the storm has passed, the danger may not be over. Stay home until travel is safe and take caution when shoveling your sidewalks and driveways, as overexertion is possible. Staying aware of changing weather conditions and following these preparation tips will help ensure that you and your loved ones are safe in the event of a winter storm. Thanks for joining us.